Hello guys, welcome to Sherry's channel. I am home and I am here early. So I kind of want to do a DIY for you guys. Y'all know the little baskets that you get from Dollar Tree. We got 3 of them. You need some zip ties, some eggs, and you need some flowers of your choice. And you need the dry styrofoam. This one has got like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces in this one block from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need your scissors. And let me get our trusty hot glue gun getting hot. Putting guys, because we need that bad boy hot. Need it hot because all these are going outside on our new patio. And I have some of these guys. These are, it's Floral Bush also from Dollar General for $1. I'm kind of mixing them up some. And I also have some of the greenery. Y'all know that's from Dollar Tree. And I have 2 of those for the greenery. And I also have these tulips. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. I got these last year. They were $3, but I had put them away and I'm like, I really needed to kind of use these on something, so we're going to get those. But we do have some of our crocus, which to me look like little tulips. And we also have some cosmos. And we also have some tiger lilies. And our new patio set is like a lime green. So I'm going all out with the color. So you're gonna need some of these little zip ties while our glue gun's getting hot. And what we're going to do is we're going to set each one side by side like this, because it's going to be our little centerpiece. Line it up, take your zip tie and put these bad boys together. Pull them really tight, as tight as you can get them. We will go back and cut those off. And if you don't want to use the zip ties, you could use whatever you want. But I wanted to make sure that mine was not going to go anywhere. So if the wind kind of blows. Oh, and you're going to need some moss. I'm going to use some of this brown that I have. And we're zip tying all 3 of these bad boys down. Which I will go back and add some glue. And you guys will see that. We just got back from my parents. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow about that. The weather was really bad, so we didn't get to go see Chance. And my brother-in-law and them, they had left, so we kind of missed them. So we'll see them next time. Maybe the weather will be better. going to take your scissors and you're going to clip this off. Clip it off. Don't worry, guys. It will be hid, okay? So you won't see it. But if you want to get the clear ones or the white ones, they do have those. Now, this is the way it's going to look, okay? We've got all three together. Now, I'm going to take a little glue. And put on each side of where my zip tie is. That way it won't move. All right, now you're going to take your styrofoam. This is just going to be like a little centerpiece for the coffee table. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. I don't have my blade here. Oh well, let me use my scissors. Take and cut it down. I need. I'm gonna do that all around. One there and one there. And we're gonna glue them down, guys. So don't worry. All right. Make sure you have some clippers. All right, now I'm gonna take and add some glue on the bottom. Stick that on the little rack. Press that down. Hold on, guys.